Like, share and subscribe.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अंडरस्टैंडिंग स्टेम क्लास 3 का पहला लेक्चर चैप्टर नंबर 1 की एक्सरसाइज आज हम सॉल्व करते हैं। सर्कल द करेक्ट आंसर। इट इज़ द बिगिनिंग ऑफ लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ ए प्लांट। शूट और सीड। सीड इज़ द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ ए प्लांट। सेकेंड, द टाइम टेकन इन द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ ऑल प्लांट्स आर different or same. We know that the time taken in the life cycle of all plants are different. A neem tree normally bears fruit. A neem tree normally bears fruit after. On page number 4, we can see that a neem tree normally begins bearing fruit after 3 to 5 years. So the answer of this MCQ is 3 to 5 years. Panda gives birth to young ones who can live independently. Okay. Next है incubation is the time period when hens sit on their eggs to keep them warm. Okay. Next, match the columns. Match cause to its correct effect to find out the relationship between the two things. इस कॉलम में कॉज हैं और इस कॉलम में इफ़ेक्ट्स हैं। कॉज आइडियल अमाउंट ऑफ एयर वाटर एंड वार्मथ। इफ़ेक्ट इसका होगा सीड ग्रोथ। कोन फॉल्स इफ़ेक्ट है सम सीड्स गेट मूव्ड टू द न्यू प्लेस। कॉज है फूड शेल्टर एंड मटीरियल्स फ्रॉम प्लांट। इफ़ेक्ट है लिविंग थिंग्स कंटिन्यू लाइफ साइकिल। फिर कॉज है चिक्स हैच विथ आइज ओपन। इसका इफ़ेक्ट है दे कैन walk. Hatch from eggs and have tails and gills, float in water. Tadpoles के बारे में यहाँ बताया गया है कि tadpoles hatch from eggs and have tails and gills and float in water. ये एक डायग्राम दी गई है। The diagram shows the life cycle of an apple tree. Label it. Firstly, seed, then young plant. It begins tree. It became tree, flowers, and at the last fruits. Next question, one word answer. Give one word answer to the following questions. The life cycle of plant begins with its seed. Looks like its parent plant. New plant. Animals are dependent upon these living things. Plants. The speed of growth of different animals is this. Different animals, different. Cats are small at birth and are unable to do this, unable to walk. Next, detailed questions है. Answer the following questions in details. Question number 1 है, what is a life cycle? Explain its purpose. इसका आंसर है पेज नंबर 2 पे. ये इसका आंसर है. लाइफ साइकिल शोज हाउ अ लिविंग थिंग ग्रोज, changes and makes new living things. A life cycle does not end because living things continue to exist in the world. The life cycles of different living things explain how they continue to be around Earth for a long time. ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर है. Name various stages in the life cycle of a flowering plant with examples. Page number 3. This question number 2 answers. Sunflower seed is put into the soil. The seed develops roots and shoot. The seed grows into a young plant with leaves. As the plant grows, the flower develops. It is an adult stage. The flower develops into fruits with seed. Question number 3. Define seed. Describe its features with 2 examples. Page number 2 and page number 3. Here, a seed is the beginning of the life cycle of a plant. Seeds are of different shapes, sizes and colors. A seed begins to grow into a young plant when it has enough air, water, and warmth. Question number 4. Explain incubation with one example. Incubation is the time period when birds or animals sit on their eggs to keep them warm. For example, hen. Describe the development of a chick into an adult. Page number 6. Egg incubated by the hen. This means the hen sits on it to keep it warm. Young looks similar to the adult but is smaller. Feeds on similar food as the adult, worms, insects, and grains. Adult looks a little different from the chick, is bigger, has developed feathers.